Hey guys, it's April, also known as Spoiled Stylist. I'm going to show you the new Pureology Refresh and Go Dry Shampoo. So this is their new line that they have out, that they just came out with. Everything is 100% vegan for those of you who are a little more conscious of what you're putting on. If you haven't used dry shampoo, I'm going to give you a quick little tip on how to do it. Shake your can as much as possible, shake it well, lift your hair up and actually spray just about the first inch of your hair, so the root area, and then you want to make sure you brush it in. So the good thing about dry shampoo is it's going to take out all of the unwanted oils in your hair. It's going to make it where your hair smells fresh and feels fresh. This is how I get to go a couple days without washing my hair, and what's the lifesaver in between. So if you haven't tried dry shampoo, this is a great one. This one's by Pureology, so for those of you who are Pureology lovers, they just came out with a new one.